experiment, we're going to teach you guys the power of bleach. For this experiment, you're going to need bleach, something to stir with, a cup, but we're using a beaker, Coca-Cola, and your goggles.
Yep.
Now we're going to start the experiment. So first, we're going to put on our goggles.
Yeah.
And then pour the Coca-Cola in. Whoa. The color is like so dark.
I know.
When you pour it out, when it's coming in, it looks like orange. Whoa. Okay, now we're gonna pour in our bleach.
Make sure you don't spill it yet.
And now we're gonna stir it. Guys, it's gonna take a little bit of time for it to react, but we're gonna come back soon and we're gonna show you guys what happened.
Yep. So guys, it's been 20 minutes since we mixed the Coke and the bleach together, and this is the result.
Wow, I can't believe the bleach took over the color of the Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
It was like the Coca-Cola was like black, like so dark.
Yeah.
And now it looks like it was just like only like the bleach that we like poured in.
I actually forgot Coca-Cola was even in there.
Yeah. It looks like oil kind of.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Wow.
Wow.
Guys, the reason why we did this experiment is to teach you guys the power of bleach. It's like so cool that the bleach was able to take over the color of the Coca-Cola. Like the Coca-Cola was like black and they actually took it out and made like a kind of yellow color. It looked like oil and then clear at the bottom a little bit. It like looks so cool.
Wow.
Like now I understand why we use it for our white clothes. Like any color on our clothes that would stain, it will just come right off if you use bleach. So when you finish this experiment, make sure you pour this out in the sink so somebody doesn't mistake it of oil or something to drink.
Hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to know when we post a new video. Bye!